too.
Liam.
I've got to get rid of these buns.
I've been pigging out all holiday season.
What are we going to do to lose weight and get in shape?
I know.
Liam, are you tired from school today?
Come celebrate summer and go for gold at our 25th
Liam, are you sleepy?
Tuesday, January 19th.
Liam, are you tired?
Join now through January 19th and your joining fee is free.
Call us or log on to BrickBodies.com.
Liam, is your dinner keeping you up? Liam, are you eating dinner?
Now we're offering even more.
Don't you want your juice? Here's your juice. For dinner. You're having, look, you have your ball in your hand. You're eating dinner. You're eating dinner. Hey, are you tired? Wake up, Jacob.
What are you doing?
Call 1-800-COMCAST today.
You better wake up and finish the ball in your hand, and then you can go sleep.
He's finishing chewing what's in his mouth. Eat it. Earthquake. Earthquake. Oh, he dropped his head. Your head goes through. He goes, Edgar, stop. He dropped it. Help him find it.
Thank you.
There he is. Oh, he dropped it again. He got it.
26.2 miles
Did you have fun at school today?
on a bike.
Are you tired from school?
The first 9 teams to finish earn a spot in this house. The 2 teams that come in last will be asked to leave the campus immediately.
We just got here. We haven't even been here for a full 5 minutes. We just got out of the limo.
We haven't met Mom Million. Nothing. I haven't missed an episode of The Biggest Loser. I'm a huge fan. Being one of the 2 teams that goes home is not an option. There's also a pretty good reason to come in first. Because the team that wins gets
Take a
the
drink
most
of
coveted
juice.
reward in this competition. Immunity at this week's weigh. Get started. You are starting out as the sickest group of contestants we have ever had. On Biggest
Juice.
Loser.
Drink your juice.
We have our medical staff here to make sure that you are taken care of tonight.
Liam.
All right, everyone.
Night-night.
This is your first challenge.
Say night-night, Mama. Say night-night, Mommy.
Go.
Say night-night.